Good morning, YouTube. So today's going to be pretty hectic for us. Stay tuned. I've sold the transfer case out of the 2009 parts truck, and I'm going to meet the guy in Bowling Green to drop it off to him. Now I have to get this thing loaded. So I've got the transfer case loaded up. Sometimes having the proper tools to help out this engine hoist makes it a lot easier. No way I could have picked that thing up by myself. Off to the next thing. So now we're about to head out to Bowling Green to drop this transfer case off and see what else we can get into. Okay, so we're up here in Bowling Green. The guy we're supposed to meet to drop the transfer case off to is running a little behind, so we're running over here to TS Performance to get a chip reprogrammed for my 2003 F350. It has the 7.3 liter turbo diesel, and here we go. Alright, so we're about to pull in here at TS Performance. So when I bought my truck, it had a TS Performance chip sitting in the console of the truck. The guy didn't know what it belonged to, where it went, so on and so forth. But the ECU itself had a cutout inside of the ECU mounting cage. So it led me to believe that the chip had been installed on this truck before. There was a hole drilled in the dash where the 6-position knob would have went. So what I've done is I've given them the chip that was in the console when I bought the truck, and they're reprogramming it now. So, leaving TS Performance now, everything went pretty good in there. They scanned my old chip, and the chip come back bad, so ended up having to get a different one. But they cut me a pretty good deal on it, and selling this transfer case is going to wipe out the cost, so makes it a lot. So I'm pulling into Walmart to meet the guy to pick up this transfer case. I sold the transfer case online on eBay. The guy's already paid me for it via PayPal, and I'm supposed to meet him here at this Walmart. He is in a gray Chevy pickup truck. So just transferred the transfer case over to this guy's truck. Now leaving Bowling Green, heading back to Owensboro. I think this is going to be it for today's vlog. If you like today's content, please like and subscribe, and go out and make life epic.